Hello, it's your girl CG on Trend, and I am back today with a new video. This video is going to be a little bit different because basically what I'm going to be doing for you guys is doing a tutorial on how to install eyelashes. If you're new to my channel in good old Texas fashion, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back. And next time, bring a friend, and you definitely want to bring a friend along for this, just in case she needs to know how to install her lashes, honey. So to begin this video, a couple of my best friends and I decided to branch out and create a lash line, which we launched on February the 1st, but the lash line is called Blynkable Lashes. I'm gonna get up so you can see my shirt. Blynkable Lashes, and our motto is enhancing beauty one blink at a time. So if you guys like that name, give me a thumbs up. I want to know what y'all think about the name Blynkable Lashes. I think it fits so much. I mean, we blink and you blink with your eyes. And basically, we want to enhance the beauty, you know, with every blink. I thought this video would be so fitting. It's to show you how to apply a strip lash. So a lot of us, I know, we go to the lash place and we get the individuals, which is fine. If that's in your budget, sis, do you and continue to do you. But that is not in my budget. So basically, I would rather spend $8, which is the price of our lashes, and do it myself versus spending $40 every month, or I don't know how many times you have to get your lashes done, but I could take them off when I want to, and I can put them back on when I want to, and I could reuse them. They're reusable. They're 100% mink lashes. They have a very strong band, so they're not flimsy. Once you take them off, you can re-clean them. We have 10 signature lashes, and we also sell the 25 millimeter lashes for my girls who want to be a little bit extra. You know, we got the drama for you. So this is one of our cases. We do have a rose gold one and a pink one, but it is a magnetic case, and you can reuse this case to store your lashes once you're done wearing them. So our website is www.blinkablelashes.com, and that's Blynkable with a Y, not an I. And also you can find us on Instagram at Blynkable Lashes. I'll definitely link all of that information in the description box below, and leave the link so that you can go to the website and purchase your favorite lashes. And also, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So basically, as you know, we have been wearing masks since last March. So basically the concept came about where we wanted to enhance the beauty above the mask. You can't wear a full bead of makeup and then cover it up with a mask. So tell me what you see. All you see are my eyes. So we want to give my eyes a lot of volume, and we want to make my eyes pop up under this mask. So you're gonna want to see what's under this mask when I take it off. So that was the initial concept behind creating Blynkable Lashes. So if you like lashes and if you like to add that extra drama to your look, I'm gonna show you how to do that all by yourself. So the lashes that I'm going to be using today are going to be our date night lashes. And they look like this. These are called date night. You're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need your tweezers. You're going to need some lash glue. This is my favorite lash glue, but we do have a lash glue coming in that we're going to try, which is actually the mascara glue. And then you can just apply the lash. But we have that. It's on its way. So that will be available on the website very soon. But this is the glue that I like to use for the time being. You're going to need some mascara. I usually like the Maybelline Pumped Up mascara. It's the Colossal Volume. Not that you need any more volume with your lashes, but it just helps to blend your lashes with the falsies. You're going to also need a eyeliner, and I purchased this at my local beauty supply store. It is the Tattoo Matte Eyeliner. So, and you're also going to need a pair of small scissors. So I have my lashes. Again, these are the date night lashes. So ladies, go get these lashes because they are bomb. Okay? So here's the question. How do I know which lash goes on which eye? You simply, when you get the lashes, you're gonna get them like this. So basically what happens is there's going to be a, I don't know if you can see it, but if you can see that one end is smaller than the other one. And if you can see that, that smaller side is the side that goes towards the corner of your eye. I'm going to go ahead and take my right off. I'm just going to take it off of the plastic. And here I have my lash. And I'll just hold it up with the tweezers. Here I have my lash. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this lash on my eye. Starting here, I want to put it here and then measure all the way to the end. So as you can see, this is a bit too much. It's a bit too much for my eye. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut this part off. Okay, it's gone. So now it makes the lash a little bit shorter. And it, if you can see this little, you see how that has that little lash part coming out? We're gonna cut that off also because I don't want anything like poking me in the eye. My eyes are very sensitive. I do wear contacts and glasses and I don't really like anything poking me in the eye. So trust me, I know if you're sensitive, have sensitive eyes, I feel you, girl, because I'm right there with you. So now we have a lash that should be matched equally to my whole lash line. And to me, that looks like it's gonna work. Okay, so next, I actually like to keep the plastic containers because what I do is I actually just take some of the glue, just squeeze a little bit on there. Okay, that's how that looks. This next step, I'm gonna keep my tweezers with the lash, and I'm actually holding the lash in the center. You'll see that I'm holding the lash in the center because applying lash is also about how you hold your lashes or how you have them on your tweezers. So you can take the back of maybe like a makeup brush, like for instance, this makeup brush. It's a bit big, but you want to get a smaller one. I usually get a smaller one, or you can take a spoolie. I actually do not have a spoolie with me right now, but that would have been very helpful. But you can take a spoolie, or you can take anything that you wish. You can take the back of your tweezers to apply the glue if you want to. But I'm just going to use this Sharpie. So I'm just going to dip the tip. I'm going to dip the tip into the glue. I'm not going to get a lot. I'm just going to get a little. As you can see, I just got a little. And we're going to take this glue and we're going to apply it on the lash line. We're just going to take it and apply it all the way across. And make sure we have just a thin, nice little coating of glue on the lash line, on the lash. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wave it around. I'm going to let it dry, get a little bit tacky. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply this lash. Again, this step does not take a very long time. I mean, once you get used to applying the lashes on your own, it'll be so much easier every time you do it. But it's taking me some time now because I'm actually demonstrating. I'm going step by step. So it usually doesn't take me this long. But we're going to let this dry. And you want to let it dry so that it gets tacky. You can blow on it, whatever you want to do, fan it. Some people let theirs sit for a while. I usually just fan mine or let it go in the wind, blow it, get some hot breath on it, whatever you choose to do. So I'm going to pull my mirror a little bit closer. Hopefully you can see exactly what it is I'm doing. But now that my glue is tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lash. So I usually like to make sure that I get it right in the center. So once I get it in the center, I can actually let my tweezers go. So here I am, it's on my lash line, I let it go. So when I let it go, I close that eye a little bit. And you may get glue on your lash, but you can also clean that up really, really good. So now that I have it on my lash line, I take it and I am going to position it on the ends. I'm going to lock my ends down. So I have the middle, and now I'm going to go get the ends and make sure that they are in place. The reason you want to do this when your glue is tacky is so that the lash doesn't fall off or fly away. So we're going to just make sure that the ends are secure, like so. You know, you got it in the middle, so you knew it was tacky in the middle. And now your ends are down. And as you can see, boom, she's on there. So you see that glue that I was talking about? Don't worry about that, because we're going to cover that up later, and I'm going to show you how. In between lashes, go ahead and clean off the excess glue from your tweezers. So what I'm going to do now is just make sure with my fingers that it is in the proper place. And while I'm doing this, I am taking my lash and the falsie, and I'm kind of squeezing them together with my own finger. Okay, that's how you get it to that's how you get the lash to be more on your lash line. You kind of position it down there on your own. Okay, and I know this looks weird, but it's okay. You're gonna look, them eyes gonna be popping later, sis. Okay, and as you can see, bam, one lash is installed. And to dry it completely, I just take, I've been using this same stock card for my lashes it's a wig stock card, but you can use anything. If you got a pretty fan, you can use a fan, but I just use a stock card, and I just take it and I fan it a couple of times, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I kind of let it sit and dry on its own. And then I go and I do the other lash. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do the other lash. So again, we're taking it off of the card. You know how much you cut off of this lash, so you're just going to cut the same amount off of this lash. And now you have your lash and it's ready to go. Grab your glue. Go ahead and apply the glue to the band of the lash, if you can see that. And now this lash is ready to be applied. To me, my left eye is always easier than my right, so that's why I started with my right, because it's usually my hardest one. But this one, to hold the lash on here, I simply use this method. So I take the lash and I insert it at a downward angle so that my eyelashes are already curly and they already curl up. So I want to make sure that I get on my lash line without touching my lashes. So I have to do it this way. Everybody's eye is different, but I have to do mine that way because of how my original eyelashes are curly. And if you can see what I mean, you see how they just kind of do their own thing. I do it that way. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Again, I'm holding it in the middle, and I'm going to make sure that the middle, I meet the lash in the middle and get it to stick there first. So my hand may be in the way, but I'm going to try to do it where you guys can see it as much as I can. Okay, so the middle is on. Now I'm just going to take it and attach the corners. See, she's on there. See, that was so simple, guys. You saw how quick that was? That's usually how it works when I put my lashes on. It usually goes that quick. Doesn't take me long. Now, if you have watery eyes, you may want to keep a tissue with you or by you so that you don't have to so that you can wipe the corners of your eyes, because you will not be able to install your lashes if your eyes are watery. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go ahead and get the lash as closest to my lash line as I can with using my finger only. I'm going to take my little stock card, do a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And boom. My lashes are on. Okay, and they're not giving me no problems. So if you can see right here, you see that little bit of glue? If you take your tweezers, once the glue dries, it's pretty easy to remove. and I just pulled it off. Just like that. So it won't mess up your eye because apparently that was just excess glue. So if you can see underneath the glue, the eyelashes are on. It kind of looks like they are coming out of my original eyelid. Yeah, eyelid. So the next step I do now is I take my mascara and I just begin to blend my lashes with the falsie. I don't bring the mascara all the way to the end of the falsie. I just want to use it to blend my lashes with the falsie. Now that that's done, my final step, I take my tattoo eyeliner and I just simply coat my lash line. And I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to start at the end here. And it just serves as a top mascara. If you can, top eyeliner. If you can see that. You can do a winged look if you like. I usually don't. I just use it as a top coat. And there you have it. And I'll do the same to the other eye. Starting at the center. And just working my way outward. So there. My eyelashes are on. And you guys let me know how they look down in the comment section. I'm sure looking in the mirror, yeah, this is how I normally do it. So, if that tutorial was helpful for you guys, please let me know down in the comment section. Go ahead and follow me over on CG OnTrend and also follow the business at Blynkable Lashes. Go ahead and make a purchase. Go ahead and shop the lashes and www.blinkablelashes.com. All of our signature lashes are $8, and right now our 25mm lashes are on sale for $7. So if you this girl and you want the drama, I mean, this is drama, but this is drama. If you want the drama, go ahead and check us out on blinkablelashes.com. And with that being said, CG OnTrend is gonna sign out. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.